guys, this is Dr. Priyanka Mehta, gynecologist and women's health expert from Diva Women's Center, Chennai. Period pain. These words itself bring us memories which can cause agony. Who wants to have pain during their periods? But there are so many calls and so many questions which we get from young girls and women about period pain and how this affects their quality of life so much that so many times they have to either take leave from school, college or work. So remedies for period pain are sometimes very simple. The easiest thing to try is the hot water bottle. So you may be thinking how a hot water bottle can help, but either a heating pad or a secure hot water bottle can really help reduce your period cramps and the period pain, because the uterus basically is a smooth muscle, and during periods this muscle is getting contracted or it is becoming very firm. So if you are going to be using this hot water bottle, that kind of soothes the uterine muscle and that can relieve your pain. Also important is that you maintain a regular exercise schedule, which could be either yoga or different kind of walking, like walking for 2 or 3 kilometers per day, so that with regular exercise we have found, and lot of studies also say, that the period pain reduces. Take care of the vitamin intake, especially vitamin B1, vitamin B6 and even vitamin E, and sometimes even the omega fatty acids will definitely help reduce the period pain over a period of time. Also important is that you take a lot of water and avoid stuff like tea or a lot of caffeine just before your periods. Also keep away from fizzy drinks like all these soda containing sugar drinks, because these can aggravate your period pain also. Important is that in spite of all these remedies, if your period pain is still there, you can take the different painkillers which are available. Many safe painkillers are available in the market nowadays, but young girls, women and even their mothers, they are hesitant. They think that if they take painkiller, then they will get used to taking some kind of a medicine, or it will be causing harm to the body. So that is untrue. Many safe painkillers are available which will actually be helpful in the long run, because you don't have to be suffering with this pain and even taking time off work. So when you take the painkiller, it is better that you take it with the doctor's prescription. Even simple drugs like paracetamol, NSAIDs also help, but always meet a gynecologist and then take the tablets. So when you have been prescribed tablets for this period pain, remember these are safe to take. Start taking it from the day of your period so that you are not suffering from pain, because how these painkillers work is, once the pain starts, then these painkillers are not that effective. So if you have been prescribed painkillers, you can take them safely and don't wait for the pain to start, but start these painkillers before the pain starts. Also important is that if ordinary painkillers and all these remedies, your pain is the same, it is not reducing, important that you do an ultrasound, because sometimes period pain can be because of causes like fibroids or endometriosis or adenomyosis, and then probably if there is a problem in the ultrasound, you may need some kind of a surgery. So the first and foremost thing is that do not suffer in pain. Follow all these remedies which I have told you, and if still pain is not relieved, don't take a lot of time to go for the ultrasound and keep suffering with the pain. So have a happy pain-free period and make sure that you take care of yourselves.